Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to change your online store time zone in Shopify. First, visit shopify.com, click on Login, fill in your email address, then your password and hit Login. Now click on this settings button from this corner in order to arrive to this general settings page. Now scroll down to store defaults and look for time zone. As you can see, your online store time zone sets the time for when orders and analytics are recorded. Now let's go to look, for example, for GMT. Where is it? GMT, this is it. Let's go with GMT UTC. Now click on this save button, and just like that your new settings are saved. Let's refresh this page to make sure that our correct time zone is selected, and as you can see, your time zone is updated successfully. And this is how to change your online store time zone in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.